Most people don't realize this, but you can design full Instagram carousels, posters, invoices, presentations directly in Claude. Claude handles the thinking, Canva handles the design. Let me show you exactly how this works. First things first, you need a Claude account and a Canva account. To connect them, go into your Claude account, then click on Customize. After that, click on Connectors. From here, you can search for Canva and connect it. It will ask you to give Claude permission to access your Canva account. Just approve that and you are good. Now when you start a new chat, click the plus icon at the bottom, then go to connectors and make sure Canva is toggled on. Now here is how I like to prompt it. I start with Canva and then just describe what I want. So for this example, I'm going to use this prompt. Now let's let Claude do its thing. This usually takes about 1 minute. So as you can see, it came back with multiple designs. And if you have set up a brand kit in Canva, it will actually pull your colors and fonts automatically, so everything stays on brand. Now if I like this one, I just click on it, hit open in Canva, and it saves directly to my Canva account. From there I can fine tune anything, swap an image, tweak the text, whatever I need. And keep in mind, it's not going to be perfect every time. You have to go in and adjust a few things. Since Canva is connected to Claude, you can actually ask Claude to search your Canva designs. Think of Claude as your design assistant that remembers everything you have been working on. And it's not just carousels. You can create invoices, thumbnails, literally anything you design inside Canva. So yeah, try this out. And if you liked the video, then please drop me a like. It definitely helps me out a lot. I will see you in the next video.